Montgomery. I'm the Warren County SNAP Education Assistant for the Nutrition Education Program, and I wanted to talk to you today about utilizing your commodity box. So there's 3 different types of commodity boxes that you might receive. So the first one is for seniors, and that's called CSPF, so that's Commodity Supplemental Food Program for Seniors. And then the next one is called Food Distribution Program for Indian Reservations. And then the third one is called TFAP. So that's probably the one that's the most familiar, and that's the Emergency Food Assistance Program. So if you're getting any boxes from Feeding America, this is going to be the commodity box that you'll be receiving. And some items that you might receive in that box that people were getting about 3 weeks ago were mushroom soup, tomato soup, peanut butter, rice, beans, dry milk, pears, raisins, and there might be some other things that are in that box as well. And so maybe you are someone who has never received a commodity box before, or maybe you've been getting a commodity box for a few years. There might be some items in that box that you're not familiar with how to cook. For instance, I get a lot of questions about apricots. Well, that's something my family doesn't typically shop for at the grocery store, and I don't really know how to use apricots. So you could go to the USDA, and if you have an internet browser, go to the USDA, type in commodity boxes, and then from there you will pick out which commodity box you're receiving. Are you receiving the one for seniors, or are you receiving the ones that's the emergency food bank commodity box? You would click on that, then you would click that you are receiving it. There's an item that says I receive commodity boxes. You would click that, and then it will have this fact sheet, and it's going to list all the foods that you could possibly get in your commodity box. And then from there it'll be broken down into the 5 food groups. So for instance, if it was apricots again, you would click on the fruit tab, you would find apricots, and it will give you a list of recipes on how to cook with apricots. And then from there, it'll also tell you about storage tips and food safety, and it's just a really great tool. Now, if you don't have the internet, that's okay. I can help you. You can call the extension office, 270-842-1681, or you can email me, nan.montgomery@uky.edu, and I can get you a bunch of recipes that you would find in your commodity box. So today we are going to use a recipe and ingredients that come from your commodity box. These are called Pear Pops. So you're going to take 6 ounces of your orange juice, which is in your commodity box. And then you're going to take 1 cup of yogurt. It can be any flavor. I use vanilla yogurt today. And then you are going to take 1 can of your pears that have been drained, and you want to make sure that you chop up those pears nice and fine. You're going to mix up your all of your ingredients together. And then once you've mixed all your ingredients together, you are going to line a baking sheet or a muffin tin, and you're going to have your muffin tin liners. And then you will pour your ingredients in there. And then you're going to want to let these freeze for about 2 to 3 hours, or you can let them freeze overnight, whatever is easiest for your family. And it's starting to get warm outside, and these are like a really great treat. My daughter loves these. So then once you have all of your baking sheet lined with all of your ingredients, and they've been in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours, you're going to have these lovely, delicious Pear Pops for your family. Now, if you have different fruit, maybe you have peaches, or maybe you have the apricots, or you have raisins, or maybe you don't have orange juice, maybe you have grape juice. Feel free to use any types of substitutions from your commodity box in order to make these Pear Pops. Take them out of the freezer, and then you are going to put them, label the date that you made them, and then they are ready to be sealed and placed in your freezer for whenever your family wants to take them out and use those commodity boxes. If you have any questions, call me at the Warren County Extension Office, 270-842-1681. Thanks, and have a great day.